Alright, so if you want to create professional intros for your videos but don't want to spend money on editing tools, yeah, AI makes it super easy now. With Dola AI, you can generate clean, engaging video intros for free in just a few clicks. So in 2026, let's go step by step and build one. First, open Dola AI and go to the video creation section. Now select intro, short video, or template mode. Choose a free intro template like logo reveal or cinematic opener. Enter your channel name or intro text. Customize colors, fonts, and animation style if available. Add background music that fits your intro. Click generate and let the AI create your intro. Preview it and make adjustments if needed. Finally, download your intro video. So yeah, that's how to generate free AI intros using Dola AI in 2026. Fast, simple, and perfect for beginners.